Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin troubleshooting the no video issue on your Surface Book 2, gather the following tools: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a prying tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Ensure you work in a well-lit and static-free environment to avoid damage to the internal components. Start by powering off your Surface Book 2 completely. Disconnect it from any power source and remove any external devices, such as USB drives or docking stations. This ensures that you have a clean slate to work with. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. Once the screws are out, use the prying tool to gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious as there may be clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, inspect the internal components. Look for loose connections or any visible signs of damage. Pay special attention to the display connector, ensure it is firmly connected to the motherboard. If you notice any dust or debris, use the microfiber cloth to clean the area gently. If the connections appear secure but the issue persists, it may be necessary to reset the device. Locate the power button and press it for 30 seconds to perform a hard reset. This can sometimes resolve minor software glitches causing the no video issue. If you're not comfortable opening your device or if the problem continues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue thoroughly, ensuring you receive the best advice. After the reset, reassemble your Surface Book 2 by carefully replacing the back cover and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is aligned correctly to avoid any damage. Now, power your device back on and check if the video is displaying correctly. If you're still experiencing issues, it may indicate a more serious problem with the graphics card or display assembly. In such cases, it's best to consult with professionals. For your convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Just schedule a time that works for you. If you decide to seek repair services, we also offer a quote before any repair is conducted, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. No calls, no travel, just straightforward solutions to get your Surface Book 2 back in working order. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and potentially fix the no video issue on your Surface Book 2. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.